just a quick little video on a mod I've just done. Don't think it might help somebody else out. So basically this is the glove box lock on an E93 BMW. So basically the problem is the lock goes all floppy and it don't work. So basically you put in the catch up, it just clicks and doesn't move the pins. Basically I suppose it does that even when it's supposed to be working, but that's like that. And then you turn the key down and as you can see it works fine, and then that way does the same on the key. Locked, unlocked. So the problem is it slips out of the guides inside. So I'll show you what I've done. It's quite an easy fix actually. So just take this off here. So basically it's just a little nylon part that slips down the guide. Once it goes down the guide, then it goes around the guide. So I don't know if you can see, but there's the channel. It slides up and down, and when it goes down, it pushes that across like that as it goes onto this bit here, this little nodule. When that pulls up and down, it pushes it side to side. But the problem is this little piece here wears away. This tip wears off. So it should be just a white nylon tip. Now basically that tip just wears away and it falls out of the channel. It falls out of this channel here. So all it does is just pops out. It doesn't go in it. Don't follow it no more. It just, see where it's worn there, like on the end. See that? Just there. Started to wear it away. So basically, it's just popping out. So a quick little fix I've done. I've just drilled a hole straight down the centre of it, down there. Drilled a hole. Cut about a millimetre off there. Cut about a mil off there. And then put an Allen key in it, an Allen key screw which is the same size as that. So now we're back to where we should be in a nice solid steel screw. So of course when that goes in that channel, I didn't see that, but let me put it on. Put that together again, you'll see what I mean. If you see that, that goes in that channel now. Slots straight in there. So put that back on there. Like that. I mean, I've seen these going for like, someone was saying in the last video, I was looking at a video, that sounded like 90 quid. For the latch mechanism, like 60 quid each side. Oh, what the fuck? What is that all about? So basically now, that extended little bit on the end of that nylon with the screw in it is now back to where it was originally. You can see it's in there, see it's working like that. I don't know if you can see it in there. But that screw now, it's nicely in that channel. It's hard to see really, but let's put some more light on it in there. That's what I can. Let's see in there. I don't know if I'll show you. But That screwed it. But now the extension on there, it just fills the little void up, and it fits snug as a bug now back in that little bit as they go in. Didn't see that. But yeah, it works a treat now. I don't know if it can help anybody out. Just a little bit on the end, so there we go. Look, that fits nicely back in that channel, nice and fresh now. So now it's missing the channel, and now it's going down the channel, nice and snug in a bug, and not popping out anymore. So there we go. Might help somebody out. It works for this one. Saved me £100. Cheers.